Welcome to the Delightful World of Daisies. In this episode, we'll embark on a charming journey through the world of daisies, where simplicity meets beauty. Daisies, scientifically known as Bellis perennis, hold a special place in the hearts of people around the world. These iconic flowers are cherished for their pure and unpretentious beauty, representing innocence, purity, and new beginnings. Join us as we explore the enchanting world of daisies. The genus Bellis encompasses several species of daisies, with Bellis perennis being the most well-known. Daisies are characterized by their simple, yet elegant appearance, typically featuring white petals surrounding a yellow center. However, there are also pink and red varieties that add a touch of color to gardens. Daisies are beloved for their versatility in both garden and wild settings. They are known to grow in various regions, from lawns and meadows to rocky hillsides, bringing their cheerful charm to any environment. These flowers have cultural and symbolic significance as well. Daisies are often associated with innocence and purity, making them a popular choice for weddings and celebrations. In folklore, they are linked to myths and legends, representing qualities like loyalty and transformation. Daisies are widely cultivated in gardens, and their care is relatively simple, making them an ideal choice for novice gardeners and enthusiasts alike. They can be planted as perennial ground covers, in rock gardens, or as border plants, adding a touch of natural beauty to any landscape. One of the remarkable features of daisies is their ability to attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, with their nectar-rich blooms. These flowers play an important role in supporting local wildlife and the ecosystem. Efforts are made to conserve native daisy species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, daisies are more than just charming flowers. They embody simplicity, purity, and the joy of the natural world. Daisies are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to alpine meadows. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Daisies exhibit extraordinary versatility when it comes to climates. They are known to thrive in temperate regions with cool summers, but some species can also withstand colder, alpine climates. Soil preferences. Daisies are not particularly demanding when it comes to soil type. They can grow in various soil conditions, but well-draining soil is preferred. They are quite adaptable to different pH levels, from slightly acidic to neutral. Watering needs. Daisies are relatively drought-tolerant once established but benefit from regular watering during dry spells. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. Sunlight requirements. Most daisies prefer full sun, thriving in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. However, some species can tolerate partial shade, making them versatile for different garden environments. Wild daisies. Various species of wild daisies are found in different regions, naturally adapting to their specific ecosystems. These hardy wild daisies contribute to the biodiversity of local ecosystems. Daisies offer a myriad of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their delightful charm into your outdoor space. Lawn daisies. Allow daisies to naturalize in your lawn, creating a whimsical meadow effect. This adds a touch of wild beauty to your landscape. Rock gardens. Plant daisies in rock gardens to provide a delicate contrast to the rugged stone surroundings. Their simple beauty stands out against the rocky backdrop. Borders and edging. Use daisies as border plants to define garden beds, pathways, or to create a structured edge along your garden. Wildflower gardens. Incorporate daisies into wildflower gardens to create a charming, informal display of native and naturalized plants. Container gardening. Grow daisies in pots and containers to add a touch of simplicity and elegance to your patio, balcony, or porch. Butterfly and pollinator gardens. Daisies attract pollinators, making them a valuable addition to butterfly and pollinator-friendly landscapes. Children's gardens. Daisies' innocent charm makes them a wonderful addition to children's gardens, encouraging a love for nature from an early age. Cutting gardens. Consider cultivating daisies in cutting gardens, where their cheerful blooms can be used for fresh flower arrangements, adding a touch of simplicity and purity to your home. The versatility of daisies allows you to infuse your outdoor space with their delightful charm, Whether you choose to create a naturalized meadow, a structured garden border, or a container garden filled with simplicity and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey into the delightful world of daisies. Daisies have captivated humanity for their simple yet profound beauty, representing innocence, purity, and the joy of nature. Whether you're a gardener, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the uncomplicated elegance of a daisy, may these charming flowers continue to bring simplicity, purity, and a sense of renewal to your life and surroundings.